Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Play Store. Before we'll start, basically, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And secondly, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, and if you don't want to do it on your own, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific tablet. So I highly recommend to check that and then come back to this video. Now, all we have to do, if we are on the Play Store, we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and then tap on My Apps and Games. Then tap on Updates Available, and here we've got the list of available apps and updates, and basically it depends on what you'd like to do. You can either tap on Update All, and your device will of course download all of those listed updates, or you can choose them manually. So find the app and tap on Update next to it. And after that, your device will basically download the updates, and after that they'll be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.